What's going on, guys? Happy Monday. So, yesterday's video was pretty fun. He's back again. See him? But, yeah, so these Power Hobby Super Swampers are pretty stinking sweet. Here, I broke into the first package and kind of mounted them up already, but look at the difference. The tread is way more, yeah, and the tire is a little bit wider. Haven't used them yet, obviously, so I will put the rest of these on. So these are the RC 4-wheel drive Super Swamper boggers. These I don't think are licensed, but they are a bogger. They say Swamper on them, Swamper 24s. So, but I don't see any licensing stuff on there. Swamp 24s is what they're called. But so yeah, I'll get the other two wheels mounted up on them and we'll give it a crawl and see how they perform. So be right back. Okay guys, we are back. I just wanted to point out again the difference in these tires. So they're the same height, but you can tell there's definitely a width difference. And the tread pattern alone is just unreal. As far as rubber wise, they're pretty much the same. Yeah, they're pretty similar other than the obvious. So yeah. Okay guys, so we are back. Got them all mounted up on the rims. They're treal beadlock rims. I'll leave a link to all this in the description. Stinking sweet. I did an install on these treal wheels on some other tires a while back, so check that video out. Yeah, so I'll mount this up a second. That looks pretty stinking sweet. Look how much more aggressive these tires are. They're just, that's freaking awesome. That's pretty freaking stinking sweet. I love it. All right, I'm gonna get a battery in it and we'll see how they do. Be right back. Okay guys, here we go. Swamper 24s from Power Hobbies. See how they do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I'm in trouble. Oh, off to a great start, huh, guys? All right, let's go up through the frame twister here, see how they do. Oh, that's why. Controls reversed. All right, here we go. Do. I got it. Oh, Pretty good so far. They're not any taller than the RC 4-wheel drive Super Swampers, so I might still have some clearance issues, but they seem to be gripping pretty good. See, right there, see? I'm bottoming out. Definitely need to get some taller tires. There it goes. Oops, that wasn't even on video. Okay, now we'll go over to the next, probably one of the more difficult areas of the tracks over here by gate 3. There's something fishy going on with this truck. I don't know what it is. It's just not driving right. I'll have to do some investigating. see here. Yeah, something's not right. Alright, here we go, guys. The true crawl test. Look at that. Not even missing a beat, not slipping. These tires are awesome. I love them. Look at that. Stinking sweet. Uh-oh, got some cross traffic coming up. Who could that be? Oh, the drill sergeant's coming to get me. So awesome. So stinking sweet. Uh-oh. Oh, that's probably what was going on. The battery is just dying, I think. Or not. I don't know. There's something weird going on with this truck, guys. I don't know what it is. It literally just started doing this today. So I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to do some investigating. Think I'm in trouble. Those tires just look so awesome. So aggressive looking. Oh! Somebody got into some trouble over here. Drill sergeant is down. There we go. Ooh, oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So stinking sweet. There he is, guys. Bigfoot with new tires. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about these tires. I freaking love them. I think they are awesome. So yeah, stinking sweet. All right. So again, as always, happy Monday. I know it's the beginning of the week, but hey, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Take it easy, guys.